Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up paper trading on TradingView. First, understand that paper trading lets you practice trading strategies without risking real money. It's a fantastic way to get comfortable with the platform and test your ideas in a live market environment. TradingView provides a seamless, integrated paper trading account for this purpose, making it easy to start right away. To begin, navigate to the trading panel located at the bottom of your TradingView chart. You'll see a list of available brokers there. Simply select Paper Trading by TradingView from this list. Once chosen, click the Connect button to activate your virtual account. This instantly gives you a simulated balance, ready for you to start placing trades. Now that you're connected, placing your first paper trade is straightforward. You can use the prominent buy or sell buttons directly on the chart or right-click for more options. When prompted, specify your desired order type, the quantity of shares or contracts, and your entry price. After confirming, your trade will appear in your open positions, allowing you to monitor its performance. Managing your paper trading portfolio is simple. You can easily review your current account balance, track your profit and loss, and examine your complete trade history within the trading panel. If you ever want a fresh start, you can reset your paper trading balance at any time. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Keep practicing to refine your trading skills.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.